All right, what is up, guys? Half a day. Today is a very special day. I just got my new, arguably one of the best kayaks on the market right now, which is a Old Town PDL Pro. So this is a gift from my wife for Father's Day. So thank you so much, my beautiful and loving and caring wife, for supporting my hobbies and habits. I love you. So this kayak was supposed to be delivered a week from now, but I went ahead and picked it up from the warehouse because I couldn't wait another week. I was too excited. So yeah, we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new Old Town Sportsman Pro PDL, and we'll see what comes with it. So this kayak I got from ecofishing.com. Shout out to them. It was out of stock, so I ordered it, waited a week for it to get in stock, and they shipped it right away, so the shipping didn't take too long. This feels like a dream. And here it is. Ooh, looks good. Alright guys, so this is how it looks unwrapped. Looking good. No damages so far. So like I said again, I got this from ecofishingshop.com. Came pretty quick, so in a timely manner. So I did get two packs of Old Town scalper plugs, just in case I need them, but I don't think I'll be really needing them. I'm not really a fan of scalper plugs. That must be the wire. So comes with a chair, Old Town chair. How does this go? So this model comes with a PDL drive, which I plan to use with a Minn Kota Terra Nova up front here. Comes with a nice little box filled with different stuff in it. I'm sure there's more stuff in here. It's like the props installed already. This is a PDL drive. Actually, it doesn't weigh too much. As you can see, it's not that bad at all. I'm sure there's some stuff in here. It's a nice little box to keep your lures or anything you might want. The drive works. It's working properly. Forward, reverse. And here is the beautiful cockpit. Doesn't look like there's any damage to it. Thank God. I heard, so I got my kayak from like Eco Fishing Shop, and a couple of my friends ordered from there and they didn't have any problems with ordering it or they're shipping, and they said they have amazing customer service, so decided to go with that. So I'm guessing it comes with a owner's manual. It looks like it comes with a the thing on the side here, I believe on this side or the other side. Paddle holder. This is the strap for the paddle holder, and I'm not sure what these are. Might be some. Oh, this is the knob, I believe. And yeah, that's all it looks like it comes with. Maybe there's more in here on what it comes with. Let's see. This is another upgrade that they did for the newer PDL Pro. They made a hatch bigger. They made a mount. I'm sure there's a lot of videos online about it, but that is a tough seal. So these come not pre-wired, but they have a kit here where you can just, it's going to be easy for you to wire up. It also comes with should have a mount down there. You can see that. Let's get this closed. I'm sure that seal is really good, so I don't think that's going to be a problem with water getting in. Can't wait to rig this up. This one is for, so if this was an EPDL model, it would already have been rigged here with the EPDL cable and then wired up. There should be a battery in here, but this is a regular PDL model, so it should have nothing in there. Inside here is looking pretty good too. Nice and clean. No scratches anywhere. Another thing they upgraded was this bracket. So now the seat sits higher, so there's more space. You can put a battery here, or that's what I plan to do. Put a battery here and then my motor up front. So this right here is the manufacturer's statement of origin. So this is what I need to register it when I have a motor on my kayak. Yeah, that's my boat, my new boat. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to see what I do to this thing, because I am super excited to take it out. Hopefully I can get it rigged up and ready. We'll see you in the next video.